mathematicians, let's do our homework. Marisol is training for a marathon. If you didn't know, that's why Mr. Escobar was absent today, because he just ran a marathon, which is 26 miles, 26.2 miles without stopping. It's a lot of running. I can do 1 mile without stopping. She's training for a marathon. This week she ran 2 miles on Monday, 4 miles on Tuesday, 5 miles on Wednesday, 7 miles on Thursday, 2 miles on Friday. What is the average amount of miles that she ran? Average is a synonym for mean. So remember, when we're finding the mean, it's like when we tried to make all the blocks fair in class today, so we have to get a balance between all of them. And the way we do that is step 1, we add them all up. Let's see, 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. That's Monday through Friday. That should be 5 numbers. Yep, good. So you add it all up and you get your answer. And then step 2 is you divide by the number of numbers that you have. I just said, yep, that's 5. That means that we're going to divide by 5. Whatever this answer is, divide by 5 gives you your average number. Some days you do less, some days you do more, but if I had to be like, and Marisol runs about this much each day, that would be the average number, the mean. Joshua's teacher asked him to find the median. Median is the middle. He says the answer is 13, because he went, not this one, 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 not this one. Oh, middle number. Yay! I'll tell you the answer. He's wrong. Because he didn't do step 1. He just jumped straight to step 2 of find the middle. Step 1 is write your list in order from least to greatest. This list is in scrambled order. So that's not going to tell us the middle number of the data set. You need to have the list in order from least to greatest, and then you can do the not this one, not that one, not this one, not that one, and find the middle of that list. Carlos looked at the same data set as Joshua, back up here, and said the mode is 20. So we're going back up here to look at this one from Joshua, and we're looking for the mode, the most common number. I see a 20, but I think that Carlos is thinking about maximum, because 20 looks like the biggest number. Mode is the number you see the most often. I see a repeat. That would be the mode, and it's not 20. So he is incorrect. Tell me why. Tell me what the real mode is. Find the mean, median, and mode of the data set below. Mean, means add them, and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide by 6 because there's 6 numbers in the set. Median, oops, I'm trying to write on my computer and it's supposed to be on my tablet. Median means least to greatest, that's step 1, and then find the middle, that's step 2. And mode doesn't really matter if it's in least to greatest or not, although it's nice sometimes if it's in least to greatest because it's easier to see the repeats. Remember, you can have 1 mode, 2 modes, or if you don't see any repeats, then you write no mode. Flip to the back. On the back, we are making a dot plot. It says so in the directions. You must read the directions. There is no number line down here, so we got to create our own, which means that I'm going to start by looking for my minimum, which looking at this list looks like it's going to be in the 50s. I see a 59, a 56, a 55. 55 looks like our minimum, so maybe just to be safe, I'll put this as 54, 55, 56, all the way up. You're not counting what's on the data set right now. You're just looking at, okay, counting by ones, filling up all your numbers on the number line. 65, 66, and hopefully that's big enough. So then you're going to go back and say, okay, I have a 60. Cross that off, put an X or a dot, however you're going to count that. I have a 56. Cross that off, put an X, and then you go through the whole list. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 X's or dots in your final data set in your dot plot. Below are the 2 dot plots comparing shoe size of the students in Mr. Flores' PE class. Select all the statements that are true. The range, remember to find range, you do maximum minus minimum. The range of the boys is 8. I see the biggest boy number is 13 and the smallest boy number is 6. Subtract and see if that makes 8. The girls have a smaller spread. Spread means the exact same thing as range. Maximum minus minimum. Then the boys. See if that's true. The minimum of the boys is 13. That's false. That's the maximum. The minimum of the girls is 5. That's true because minimum is like the the tiniest number in your data set. The largest girl's shoe size in Miss Flores' class is a size 13. That is not true because, yeah, I see the 13, but there are no dots here. So the largest shoe size for girls is 11. And then last but not least, oh my gosh, the most important question on your homework, what color should Miss Douglas dye her hair? You can choose a solid color. We're not choosing color combos because that did not look good last year. And you're not doing your final vote. What we're going to do with this data is we're going to collect it. We're going to decide across all 4 homerooms what are the 3 most popular choices, and then you'll get another chance on Wednesday to vote between those 3 choices, and then you're not going to know until I just show up with fun colored hair. All right, that's it. We're done with our homework. Bye.